Keeping subscription payments consistent can feel like a juggling act. One failed rebill and your customers' access or your revenue can stop overnight. Here's a simple way to track recurring payments manually. In Google Sheets, you can log each subscriber, the date of their payment, and whether it succeeded or failed. It is a quick visual of your subscription health, but it's still manual. You would have to chase failed charges, retry payments, and update records yourself. That's where EasyPay Direct makes things easier. The recurring billing feature automates every step, from rebilling to reminders, so payments continue without interruption. And in their FAQ on how e-commerce credit card processing works, they explain how transactions are authorized and settled, which helps you see exactly how recurring billing keeps your store running smoothly. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check out how their built-in recurring billing keeps your subscriptions stable and revenue consistent. When every subscription counts, you need a system that runs on autopilot. EasyPay Direct handles it all: setup, rebills, and payments that just work. The link to get started is right there in the description when you are ready.